Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see real numbers exercise 2.5. First question, write the following in the form of 5 power n. Here 5 is the base, n is the power. Okay. So we have to write it the given numbers in the form of 5 power n. Okay. First we have to find out in 625 how many 5s will be there. Okay. So how do you find this? You just take that number and divide by 5, you will find it. Okay. First you divide by 5. In 6 how many 5s are there? 1 5s are there. 5 ones are 5, remaining 1. Next number to 12. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2 25. 5 5s are 25. And again divide by 5. So 2 5s are 10, then remaining to 25. 5 5s are 25. And divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. Now how can you write this? 625 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write is 5 power 4. 5 power 4. Now it is in the form of 5 power n. Do you understand children? So the next one, 1 by 5. How can you write this? You already know that 1 by a equal to a inverse. In exponent you learn this. 1 by a equal to a inverse. It is in the form 1 by 5. So how can you write this? 1 by 5 equal to 5 inverse. Okay children, now it is in the form of 5 power n. You understand? See the next one. Here root 5 is given. Okay. Here square root is given. So how can you write this? Root 5 equal to, how can you write this? 5 power 1 by 2. You know very well. Okay. Here square root is given. Here nothing is there. Inside the root, this place, here nothing is there. Nothing is there means it represents 2. Okay. This is square root. So square root of 5, how can you write this? 5 power 1 by 2. Now it is in the form of 5 power n. Next, root of 125. First find out how many 5s are there. 125 divide by 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Again 5. 5 5s are 25. Now 3 5s are there. Square root of 5 into 5 into 5. How can you write this? Square root of 5 cube. Okay. So this implies 5 cube. This square root. How can you write this? 1 by 2. This is fractional index form. Okay. So now you have to multiply this. The powers. Here a power m whole power n. You know very well. A power m whole power n equal to a power m n. So we have to multiply this power. So likewise here 3 into 1 by 2. What is that? 3. 3 into 1 by 2. What you will get? 3 ones are 3 by 2. Okay. So 5 power 3 by 2. Do you understand? 5 cube whole power 1 by 2. So now it is in the form of a power m whole power n. So a power m into n. Okay. So 3 into 1 by 2, what you will get? 3 by 2. So 5 power 3 by 2. Do you understand children? Okay. See the second Roman. Write the following in the form of 4 power n. 4 power n. In previous questions, we converted 5 power n. Here, we need to convert into 4 power n. Okay. So, we have to divide the given number by 4. How can you write this? You know very well. 16 equal to, how can you split this? 4 4s are 60. In how many 4s are there? We can write it 4 square. So it is in the form of 4 power n. You understand, children? Next one, 32. How can you split this, children? 32. Usually 4 8s are 32. In 8, how can you split this? 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now you see here 2 is there. You know very well square root of 4. Square root of 4 what, children? Square root of 4 equal to, what is the answer? 2. So instead of the 2, you have to write it square root of 4. You have to take this. In how can you write this square root of 4? 4 power 1 by 2. This is index notations. Okay, power notation we are writing. Okay, 4 power 1 by 2. So instead of the 2, you have to take 4 power 1 by 2. Do you understand, children? So here 2 is there because we should give the answer in the form of 4 power n. Okay, children. So then here 2 is there. The square root of 4 equal to 2. So that I am taking the square root of 4 instead of 2. Okay. And how can you write this in index notation? 4 power 1 by 2. Okay. So here 4 power 1 by 2. Now write this. Here 4 into 4. Here power is 1. Here also power is 1. So you know very well a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So here 4 power 1 into 4 power 1. What you will write? 4 power 2 into 4 power 1 by 2. Now it is in the form of a power m into a power n. Again you apply this. Here power what will be the 2 plus 1 by 2. So one is whole number, another one is fraction. So we have to take LCM. Okay, here what I am going to do, I have to take LCM. Here see here denominator is 2, so take it 2. Here denominator is 1. So I want to convert into 2. So I have to multiply with 2. Once I multiply the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator also. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 what you will get, children? 5 by 2. So how can you write this? 4 power 5 by 2. You understand, children? So this is the answer. What is the answer? 4 power 5 by 2. Now it is in the form of 4 power n. You understand, children? I repeat this. First 32, I split it 4 into 8. Again the 8 I split into 4 2s are. Okay. This 2, instead of the 2 I taken 4 power 1 by 2. Now after that I applied this exponent, laws of exponents I applied. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So that first these two numbers I applied 4 square. After that again I applied this. Okay. So 4 power 2 plus 1 by 2, get it 5 by 2. Okay. So 4 power 5 by 2 is the answer. See the third question, children. Find the value of, we are going to find the value of this. Okay. 243 whole power 2 by 5. See the denominator here, denominator is 5. We try to convert the given numbers in the power 5. Okay. So, first you divide this. This number is divided by 3 table. Okay, divide by 3. 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Again divide by 3. 2 3s are 6. Remain 2. 7 3s are 21. Then 3. 9 3s are 27. Again 3. So, how can you write this number, given number? So instead of 243, how can you write this? How many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write it 3 power 5 whole power 2 by 5. Okay, so I already told you a power m whole power n. What you will do, children? A power m n. Okay, here what is that? So here 3 power 5 into 2 by 5. Now cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now what you will get? 3 square. 3 square, what is the answer, children? 3 square means 3 into 3. Okay, so what you will get? 3 3s are 9. So 3 square equal to 9. You understand, children? So what is the answer? The answer is 9. So the next question, fourth one. 64 divided by 125 whole power minus 2 by 3. Here denominator what is that? 3. We should convert this given numbers of power 3. Okay. First, before converting, you see here power is negative. You know the exponent law. I will say that a by b whole power minus m. If it is there like this, what you will do? B by a whole power m. So this value is equal to this. You can convert like this. Okay. So first you rearrange this. So 125 by 64 whole power 2 by 3. Now you convert this, you know very well. 5 cube is 125. Before that we found this. So instead of the 125, what you are going to write? 5 cube divided by 64. 64 you know very well. Okay. So take it the number 64. 4 ones are 4. Remaining to 24. 6 fours are 24. And divide by 4, 4. So now how many 4s are there? 3 4s. So 4 cube whole power 2 by 3. And how can you write this? Here power 3, 3. Okay. So a power m a power m divided by b power m. How can you write this? A by b whole power m. Because same power we have it. Okay. So you can write likewise. Okay. So how can you write this? 5 by 4 whole cube whole of 2 by 3. Now I already told you here two powers are there. A power m whole power n means what you will do? We have to multiply this. Okay. So for what we will get? The 3 3 cancel. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Okay. Now what is there? 5 by 4 the whole square. It means 5 by 4 the whole square means what? Again the reversing this exponent. A by b whole power m means what you will do? A power m b power m. The same thing you have to do. 5 square divided by 4 square. So 5 square, what is the answer, children? 25. 25 divided by 4 square 16. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Use a fractional index to write. Fractional index. Okay. So here what is given? Square root of 7 is given. How can you write this? 7 whole power 1 by 2. Because here 2 is there. Okay, square root is there. So how can you write this power? 1 by 2. Okay, so 7 power 1 by 2. This is the fractional index form. Okay, and see here 1 divided by cubic root of 100 whole power 7. First 1 divided by cubic root of 100, how can you write? First, you write in fractional index form 100 power 1 by 3 whole power 7. In the denominator, we have the power 1 by 3. But numerator, it is not there. But numerator 1 is there. Okay. So 1 power 2, what is the answer? 1. 1 power 1 by 4, what is the answer? 1. So 1 by 1 power 1 by 3, what is the answer? 1 only. If you put the power here, the value will not change. Okay. So that I am going to do, put the powers. 1 power 1 by 3 divided by 100 power 1 by 3 whole power 7. Okay, before that I explain a power m divided by b power m equal to, how can you write, children? A by b whole power m. Okay, this method I am going to apply. So 1 by 100 whole power 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 the whole power 7. Okay, now it is in the form of a power m whole power n. So I already told you a power m whole power n. What you will do, children? We have to multiply the power. So a power mn. Here also 1 by 3 into 7. What you will get, children? 7 ones are 7 by 3. Okay, how can you write this? 1 by 100 whole power 7 by 3. This is the fractional index form. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? See the next question. Find the fifth root of, okay, find the fifth root of 243. Fifth root we need to find out. Okay, it means fifth root of 243 we are going to find. Okay, first you take it 243. This number is divided by 3. So 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3, 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. Again by 3, 9 3s are 27. So instead of 243, how can you write this? Fifth root of 3 power 5. Now you write it fractional index form 3 power 5 whole power 1 by 5, because here fifth root is there. Okay, so that 1 by 5. Now you cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what you will get, children? 3 power 1. So 3 power 1 equal to, what is the answer? 3. So what is the answer? 3 is the answer. You understand? The 1024 divided by 3125. Here also we need to find out fifth root. Fifth root of 1024 divided by 3125. Okay, first take the number 1024. Okay, now divide by 4 table. 2 4s are 8, remaining to 22, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Again 4, 6 4s are 24, 4 4s are 16. Again 4, 1 4s are 4, remaining to 6 4s are 24. So 4 4s are 16. Okay. Next, 3125. This also you have to find out. This number is ending with a 5, so divisible by 5. 6 5s are 10. Sorry, 6 5s are 30. Remaining one 12. 2 5s are 10. Then 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this here, how many 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Instead of 1024, how can you write this? 4 power 5 divided by 5 power 5. Okay, already told you a power m divided by b power m equal to, how can you write this? A by b whole power m. Okay, so here you apply this 4 by 5 whole power 5, and this one, how can you write this? Here fifth root. How can you write this? 1 by 5. Now cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now what you are getting? 4 by 5 whole power 1. What you will get? 4 by 5. So what is the answer? 4 by 5. You understand, children? Thank you, children.